Okay, so here are a little bit more real colors from this yellow. This is that light yellow in the pack, and this is that light pink in the pack. And here is the blue and the teal. Blue, teal. Let's see what you made.
First we printed this piece, then we printed this piece, and then you can just put them together, and it's like those twisty toys and apples that you see. But it's a little Easter egg bunny.
It's so cute.
Just print a bunch of these and then put them in the Easter basket. Oh, let's have the fun.
Good luck.
And you realize that the guy is This type of support is called the tree, or some people call it organic support, and they're easier to get on. Let's see where it's stopping. Okay. The fresher it is, the easier it is to take off, and it just finished, so they should come off pretty easy. I'm just telling you.
I feel like not enough times when I watch these videos do I actually get to see which filaments were used for what everybody made. So I really want to just match up some of our filaments in this video so you can see the real true colors. So we just got this pack, and this pink came from Sunlu. All right, this is the pack that it comes with. So unfortunately I can't show you any of these yet, but I will show you this really pretty light pink that they just made. I say they, my kids are the ones who make all this fun stuff. And this is not the same pink as that. That is a light pink, but I'm just showing you what they're making here. They're currently obsessed with making these little action figures, which I think are so cute. And this is obviously a different PLA with that pretty iridescent rainbow, and same that they use there. Okay, so this pretty iridescent rainbow is coming from this one right here, which is so funny how purple and blue it looks. And you're seeing lots of green here. And the pink one, like I said, Sunlu right here. And these are made from these ones. This pink, this is what we're coming out here. Pink to pink, purple and white, a gray, and I don't see the red in the red, black and orange. That's actually, is that the black? That's dark brown. Here's black over here. And then I don't know what we call this, clear one right here, which is right there. And then the yellow, there you are, yellow and gray. So I hope this helps.
If you found this helpful, please give it a like, as that is very helpful for me as well.